you think you know me, but you ain't seen nothing yet. Yeah. Yeah.
You see me rolling through your fancy neighborhood, think I don't belong here, man, I wish you would. Try to tell me what I can't achieve, while I'm building everything you can't believe. Started from the bottom of a gravel pit, now I'm climbing mountains, never gonna quit. You can keep your judgments and your sideways looks, I'm writing my own story, burning all your books. You don't know where I come from, you don't know what I've been through. La la, I'm a back row king, don't need your crown to make me a saint. Back row king, built this stone from everything you threw away, now watch me rise another day. Back row king, this is my domain, yeah, yeah. Remember when you said I never gonna make it out? Now you're asking what my life's about. Used to drive your daddy's car to school, now you're begging for my golden rule. I took the long way, dirt beneath my feet, every scar a lesson, never faced defeat. You can keep your shortcuts and your easy wins, I'll take the hard road where my life begins. You don't know where I come from, you don't know what I've been through. I'm a back row king, don't need your crown to make me sane. Back row king, built this throne from everything you threw away, now watch me rise another day. Back row king, this is my domain, Every mile I drove alone led me to this place I own. Every tear, every fight brought me to this moment right here and now, I'm standing tall, don't ask me how. I'm a back row king, don't need your crown to make me sing. Back row king, built this throne from everything you threw away, now watch me rise another day. Back row king, this is my domain, yeah, this is my domain, back row king, la la la, I swear. Brother, we've been through it all together. Mud on our boots, rain or shine. Well, you know these back roads like the back of your hand. When the world gets heavy, you help me stand. Raised on the same soil, same old dirt. When everything else fails, brotherhood works. Side by side through the struggle and pain. Brothers for life, through sun and through rain. We are dirt road kings. We are dirt road kings. Remember that night when your truck broke down? Call me at midnight on the edge of town. No questions asked, I was on my way. That's what brothers do, that's how we stay. Through thick and thin we hold the line. Your family's mine and mine is thine. When trouble comes knocking at our door, brothers stand tall, that's what we're for. We are dirt road kings. We are dirt road kings. From the same small town, never backing down. Brothers till the end, on each other we depend. From the same small town, never backing down. We are dirt road kings. We are dirt road kings. We are dirt road kings. Yeah, boys are right. Dirt road kings. Who said I couldn't make it past these county lines? Been grinding since 16, working overtime. Daddy's old Chevy rust and broken dreams. But I got bigger plans than what this town has seen. They keep saying, boy, you better stay in line. But I got fire burning, ain't no fucking stopping time. Who's gonna tell me what I can't become? When I'm breaking chains that held me since day one. They all know the price I paid to get this far. From that broken down trailer to a rising star. Who's gonna tell me? Who's gonna tell me? Oh yeah, when I'm the breakaway, cold beer testimonies on my granddad's porch. He said, son, sometimes you gotta light your own torch. American flags flying, but the system's rigged. Small town politics, same old fucking tricks. They keep saying, boy, you better know your place. But I'm carving out my kingdom at my own damn pace. Who's gonna tell me what I can't become? When I'm breaking chains that held me since day one. They don't know the price I paid to get this far. From that broken down trailer to a rising star. Who's gonna tell me? Who's gonna tell me? When I'm the breakaway, ¿quién me va a parar cuando el camino se pone duro? He luchado como un guerrero, mi corazón es puro. Las raíces del sur corren profundo en mis venas, pero este rey rebelde va a romper todas las cadenas. Money boots to boardrooms, dirt roads to the big stage. Every scar's a lesson learned, every fight's another page. La 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 la, oh, breaking free, letting go. Who's gonna tell me what I can't become? When I'm breaking chains that held me since day one. They don't know the motherfucking price I paid. From that broken down trailer, now I've got it made. Who's gonna tell me? Nobody. Who's gonna tell me? So I'm the breakaway king. Yeah, I'm the breakaway king. Who's gonna tell me now? Southern roots, rebel heart. This is just the fucking start. Oh, la la la, breakaway king. That's who I am. lanes, dust cloud in my way. V8 rumbling underneath every turn I take. Cooler full of ice cold ones, tailgate hanging low. Out here past the county line, where the wild things grow. Mud on my Chevys, stars overhead, this is the life that my daddy led. I'm the back row boss, king of these hills, burning rubber, chasing thrills. Flag flying high on my antenna pole, fire in my heart, steel in my soul. Back row boss, running these streets, dirt and gravel underneath my feet. This is my kingdom, this is my zone. Back row boss and I hold my own. Brothers by my side tonight, bonfire burning bright. Trucks lined up in perfect rows, everything's alright. The bottles clinking, music loud, freedom in the air. Small town raised, country made, we don't have a care. Boots laced tight, heads held high, living free beneath this sky. I'm the back row boss, king of these hills, burning rubber, chasing thrills. Flag flying high on my antenna pole, fire in my heart, steel in my soul. Back row boss, running these streets, dirt and gravel underneath my feet. This is my kingdom, this is my zone. Back row boss and I hold my own. Sunrise to the late night, we own every mile. Rebel hearts and working hands, we're living country style. I'm the back row boss, king of these hills, burning rubber, chasing thrills. Flag flying high on my antenna pole, fire in my heart, steel in my soul. Back row boss, running these streets, dirt and gravel underneath my feet. This is my kingdom, this is my zone. Back row boss and I hold my own. Yeah, yeah, back row boss, that's what they call me, out here where the wild things roam. Back row boss.
Yeah, this for my brother. Time I tell the truth about him.
Been thinking about you lately, riding these back roads alone. Remember when we used to tear it up, now you're long gone. Your old Chevy still sitting in the yard, rusted through, but I fire up my diesel thinking what we used to do. Loading up the cooler, heading to the creek. Now I'm talking to your memory every single week. You taught me how to work, how to fight, how to stand. Miss you every morning when I'm working this land. So I'm telling you straight, no sugar on it. These boots are heavy without you walking with me. This is my backwoods confession to a ghost I can't let go. Every bottle that I open, every mile down this dirt road. Brother, you're still riding shotgun in this heart that's made of stone. This is my backwoods confession, I ain't meant to walk alone. Tailgate parties ain't the same without your laugh. Bonfire burning, but it's only lighting half. The crowd that used to gather round the rebel ways, now I'm counting all the things I never got to say. Your flag's still flying high above the barn, and I'm still trying to feel the hole you left so hard. Small town gossip, they don't understand why I keep your memory close and never let it. So I'm telling you straight, no sugar on it. These boots are heavy without you walking with me. This is my backwoods confession to a ghost I can't let go. Every bottle alone. Freedom ain't the same when you're missing half your soul. Brotherhood runs deeper than these country boys let show. I'm still that rebel spirit, but I'm learning how to grieve in this American heartland where we never learn to leave. This is my backwoods confession to a ghost I can't let go. Every bottle that I open, every mile down this dirt road. Brother, you're still riding shotgun in this heart that's made of stone. This is my backwoods confession. I ain't meant to walk alone. Yeah, I ain't meant to walk alone.
This for you, brother.
Y'all think you know, but you ain't seen shit. Backwoods bred, born to never quit. Mama raised me right, daddy taught me fight cold. Creek water, campfire light. Mud on my Chevy, spear in my blood. Brothers beside me through hell and flood. Red, white, and blue wave high above. This is our country, this is our love. We them dirt road kings, crown made of chrome. Jacked up dreams in a small town home. Banging bass, country boy soul. Never back down, that's how we roll. Dirt road kings, born to be free. American pride runs deep in me. Tailgate nights on the star-filled skies. We them dirt road kings till the day we die. Bonfire blazing, bottles popping loud. Country rap flow, got me feeling proud. Steel guitar streaming through the summer heat. 808s knocking to that country beat. Brotherhood solid, loyalty runs thick. Outlaw attitude, rebel to the quick. Boots stay muddy, hands stay rough. Small town boys, but we play it tough. Mud on my Chevy, spear in my blood. Brothers beside me through hell and flood. Red, white, and blue wave high above. This is our country, this is our love. We them dirt road kings, crown made of chrome. Jacked up dreams in a small town home. Banging bass, country boy soul. Never back down, that's how we roll. Dirt road kings, born to be free. American pride runs deep in me. Tailgate nights under star-filled skies. We them dirt road kings till the day we die. Blue collar grid with a rap game flow. From the holler to the stage, watch us steal the show. Fuck what they say about the way we live. Country rap fusion, that's all we give. Diesel engines roaring, speakers boom loud. Small town rebels, we stand proud. American dream in a lifted truck. Hard working hard, that's country luck. Freedom reigns when the engine revs. Dirt road legends, that's what we said. Party all night, work all day. Southern roots run deep, that's our way. Cold beer chilling in the cooler ice. Country rap kings, we pay the price. Yeah, boom boom bap. Country trap slap, never going cap. Bing bang boom, truck goes zoom. Dirt road vroom, make some room. We them dirt road kings, crown made of chrome. Jacked up dreams in a small town home. Banging bass, country boy soul. Never back down, that's how we roll. Dirt road kings, born to be free. American pride runs deep in me. Tailgate nights on the star-filled skies. We them dirt road kings till the day we die. Dirt road kings till we die. Country proud, heads held high. small town boys, big time dreams. Nothing's ever what it seems. Mud on my boots, pride in my chest. Fire burning hot and never second guess. Tailgate down, brothers by my side. Stars above us, freedom in the ride. Red dirt kicking, engine rumble loud. Small town raising, standing tall and proud. I'm a dirt road king, flag waving high. Born to run wild, never gonna die. Cold beer chillin', bonfire bright. Country rap soul burning through the night. La da 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 da, we rise up strong. La da 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 da, this is where we belong. Jacked up truck, tires thick as stone. Brotherhood deep, never ride alone. American dream built with callous hands. Outlaw spirit running through these lands. Rebel heart beating, rhythm in my veins. Blue collar blood breaking all the chains. Tell me who you ride with. Tell me where your heart is. Southern roots run deeper than the river. I'm a dirt road king, flag waving high. Born to run wild, never gonna die. Chillin', bonfire bright. Country rap soul burning through the night. La da 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 da, we rise up strong. La da 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 da, this is where we belong. When the sun goes down and the speakers pound, we're the ones who stay, never fade away, away. Boom, boom, yeah. Yeah, yeah, woo-ha. Dirt road, cold beer, flag high. Ba-da-ba, country rap fly. I'm a dirt road king, flag waving high. Born to run wild, never gonna die. This is my anthem, this is my fight. Country rap soul burning through the night. La da 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 da, we rise up strong. La da 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 da, this is where we belong. My veins, stars paint the sky. Ice cold beer, tailgate down. Fire burns bright, brothers by my side. Dirt road king, that's what I am. Flag flies high, this is my land. We ride, we fight, we stand, we own this night. Dirt road, cold beer, pipes, freedom's right here. Town pride burns so bright. Blue collar hands built this dream. American heart living the same. Got their rebel soul, never back down. Country boy cold runs through this town. We ride, we fight, we stand, we own this night. Dirt road, cold beer, loud freedom's right here. We ride, we fight, we stand, we own this night. Dirt road, cold beer, pipes, freedom's right here. Born in the sticks, raised on the grind, mud in my blood, still on my mind. Bonfire nights, brotherhood strong. This is our life, this is our song. We ride, we fight, we stand, we own this night. Dirt road, cold beer, pipes, freedom's right here. We ride, we fight, we stand, we own this night. Dirt road, cold beer, pipes, freedom's right here. Dirt road kings, that's what we are. Dirt road kings under these stars. Mama always said I'd amount to nothing much, just an all-town kid with a busted-up truck. But I've been stacking paper from the creek to the ridge. Now I'm the one they call when the law needs a bridge. La, 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 yeah. Oh, I'm the gravel king, a Miller County line. Every dirt road knows my name by design. When the sun goes down and the bottles come out, I'm the one they holler, the one they shout about. Gravel king, running these hollers like I own everything. Started moving product when I turned 17. Not the kind you're thinking, just gasoline. Family farm was hurting, daddy's back was shot. So I took my Chevy and I gave it all I got. La, 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 yeah. Ooh, that's right. Gravel king, a Miller County line. Every dirt road knows my name by design. When the sun goes down and the bottles come out, I'm the one they holler, the one they shout about. Gravel king, running these hollers like I own everything. Now the sheriff's son called me sir to my face, and the banker's daughter knows her rightful place. I built this empire from mud and sweat, but the county seat boys ain't seen nothing yet. They got their courthouse suits and the fancy degrees. I got calloused hands and these backwood keys. When the chips are down and they need a ride, I'm still that same kid with that rebel pride. La 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 la, you know it. Gravel king, a Miller County line. Every dirt road knows my name by design. When the sun goes down and the bottles come out, I'm the one they holler, the one they shout about. Gravel king, running these hollers like I own everything. Yeah, that's right. Miller County mine. La la la, gravel king. yeah. Back home roads, where the heart still knows. Remember when we used to ride those gravel lanes? Before the world came calling with its schemes and chains. Your daddy struck my muddy boots that summer rain. Now I'm looking back through window panes. You said, boy, don't leave, stay here with me. But I chase fools, go to cross the county line. Now every mile I drive just ain't the same as those back home roads where love was mine. Back home roads where we used to go, but life moves slow and hearts beat strong. Back home roads, that's where I belong. Been gone too long, been gone too long. Back home roads calling me to come back where we begun. Back where we begun. See your face in every sunset sky I chase. Hear you laughing every creek that cuts this place. Been running from the boy who knew your grace, but these city streets can't fill that empty space. You were dirt road dancing in my headlights beam while I went chasing some American dream. Now success tastes bitter, cold as stone, without those back home roads to call my own. Back home roads where we used to go, when life moves slow and hearts beat strong. Back home roads, that's where I belong. Been gone too long, been gone too long. Back home roads calling me to come back where we begun. Back where we begun. Oh, every flag that flies reminds me of the pride we shared so freely. Bonfire nights and brotherhood, when staying put felt just as good as any dream I thought I needed. Back home roads, that's where my heart still goes. Pull up to your daddy's drive again, hoping what we had ain't reached its end. Been a fool to think the world can mend what these back home roads have always been. So here I stand with hat in hand, ready to be your countryman. If you'll have me back where love still flows, down these sacred back home roads. Back home roads, that's where I belong. Been gone too long, been gone too long. Back home roads brought me back to you, like they always do, like they always do. Yeah, back home road, that's where the heart still knows. Red dirt kicking, mud on my Chevys, heart been broken, soul getting heavy. They took my job, left me for dead, but I ain't quitting, fire my head. Small town fake friends turned their backs quick, said I'd amount to nothing, made me real sick. Now I'm grinding harder, sweating tears mix, gonna show them all with these dirty chicks. Yeah, I'm mad as hell, and I ain't backing down. Mad as hell, gonna burn this whole town. Country boy rage, let the fury flow. Mad as hell, watch my anger grow. Truck broke down, bank took my land. Government lies, don't give a damn. But I keep pushing through the pain deep. Country blood boy and the rage I gotta keep. bonfire burning like the hate inside. Brothers beside me on this angry ride. We've been forgotten by the big city folk. Time to remind them this ain't no joke. They're mad as hell, and I ain't backing down. Mad as hell, gonna burn this whole town. Country boy rage, let the fury flow. Mad as hell, watch my anger grow. They think we're stupid, think we don't fight back. But country boys remember every single attack. A beer in my left hand, fist in my right. Ready for war through the long dark night. I'm mad as hell, and I ain't backing down. Mad as hell, gonna burn this whole town. Country boy rage, let the fury flow. Mad as hell, watch my anger grow rage. Country boy, dirt road rage, every single day. To the spot where the gravel meets the grass. Got my boys in the back, cooler tank full of gas. Stars come out when the sun dips low. Fire crackling bright, speakers bumping that flow. Mud on my Chevys, dirt on my hands. Built this life from nothing, now I own these lands. Mama taught me right, Daddy taught me tough. Small town raised me, this more than enough. We own these back roads and bass lines. Rebel hearts beating in perfect time. Cold ones cracking, engines revving loud. Country boys standing tall and proud. Back roads and bass, that's how we ride. Freedom in our veins, fire in our eyes. This is our kingdom, dirt and steel. Everything we are is raw and real. Tailgate down, boots up on a bumper. Every weekend warrior, every Saturday lumber. Brotherhood runs deeper than the creek bed. Loyalty thicker than the mud we tread. Flags waving high from the antenna pole. American made with a rebel soul. Critics gonna talk, but they don't understand. We built our throne with our own two hands. These back roads and bass lines. Rebel hearts beating in perfect time. Cold ones cracking, engines revving loud. Country boys standing tall and proud. Back roads and bass, that's how we ride. Freedom in our veins, fire in our eyes. This is our kingdom, dirt and steel. Everything we are is raw and real. When the world gets heavy and the pressure's high, we come back home where the eagles fly. Bonfire burning, music blasting free. This is who we are, this is where we bleed. These back roads and bass lines. Rebel hearts beating in perfect time. Cold ones cracking, engines revving loud. Country boys standing tall and proud. Back roads and bass, that's how we ride. Freedom in our veins, fire in our eyes. This is our kingdom, dirt roads and bass, that's our sound. Keep your city lights, we own this ground. I got mud on my boots and fire in my chest. Been grinding all week, now it's time to rest. But rest ain't sitting still, rest is turning up. With my brothers by my side and beer in my cup. These dirt roads raised me, taught me how to fight. When the world gets heavy, I come back to what's right. Small town born, small town bred, but my heart beats loud like thunder overhead. We don't need much, just what we got. A lifted truck, a fishing spot, and when the sun goes down, we light it up. Never backing down, never giving up. Back road thunder, back road, born to be wild, born to be free. Back road thunder, this is who we are, this is who we'll be. Back road thunder, yeah. Back road thunder, back road thunder. Back road thunder, red dirt flying when we hit the gas. Living every moment like it's our last. Stars above us, fire burning bright. This is how we own the night. I see my daddy in the way I stand, working hard with these two hands. But when Friday comes, I let it loose with my crew, that's what we do. American flag hanging from the truck. Don't need fame, don't need love. Got my people, got my pride. Got this feeling deep inside. La la la, boom boom boom. Na na na, vroom vroom vroom. Hey hey hey, bang bang bang. La la la, that's our game. When the world tries to change me, I remember where I'm from. These roots run deeper than the money. This heart beats like a drum. From the holler to the highway, we carry who we are. Back road boys with back road dreams, underneath the same old stars. We're back road thunder, born to be wild, born to be free. Back road thunder, this is who we are, this is who we'll be. Back road thunder, yeah. Back road thunder, come on. Back road thunder, back road thunder, back road thunder. La la la, boom boom boom. We're back road thunder. Nah nah nah, that's who we are.